Namaste. In this video, we are going to solve this problem here given if x plus 1 upon y is equal to 1 and y plus 1 upon z is equal to 1, then find the value of z plus 1 upon x. Here given this condition x plus 1 upon y is equal to 1 and we want to find out 1 upon x value. So from here we can find out first x 1 minus this transfer other side, so it will be negative. We can simplify right hand side, so it will be y minus 1 upon y, but we want to find out 1 upon x, so this is just reciprocal y upon y minus 1. And here we have to find out this z value, and given is this one. So y plus 1 upon z is equal to 1. 1 upon z, y transfer this side, so it will be negative, and we want to find out z value, right? So this is just reciprocal 1 upon 1 minus y, this z value. So we have to find out this expression z plus 1 upon x. Okay, z plus 1 upon x. What is z value? This one, 1 upon 1 minus y, plus 1 upon x value is this one, y upon y minus 1. Okay, so 1 upon 1 minus y, and here actually this is same but different sign, so we can take common negative 1, so this will be negative y, 1 will be positive and y will be negative. Okay, now same denominator, so we can easily subtract numerator. 1 minus y, this is 1 minus y. 1 minus y, 1 minus y cancel, we get 1. So answer is 1. Very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.